How to sign into your Roku account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in or sign in into your Roku account. So without further delay, let's get started. Start by launching a web browser on your device. Now click on the web address bar at top of the screen. Type in roku.com and press enter on your keyboard. Wait patiently until the official interface appears on your screen. To sign into your Roku account, click Sign In button at top right corner of your screen. Now you will see the sign in interface where you'll be requiring to enter your email and password. In case if you have saved your email and password, it will be auto-filled on your section of email or password. So let's enter it, and in case you forget your password, click Forget Password link and recover from there. If you wish to remember your credentials, check mark this box and click on Sign In button. Now as you can see that we have successfully signed into our Roku account. So before signing in, make sure to verify your account with the help of the code that is sent to your email address. So that's how we sign into our Roku account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.